Greetings everyone, my name is Muhammad Arman Amirul bin Muhammad Ashraf, ID student 2025107027. Today, I will present about one of the major insect pests affecting plantation crops, which is rhinoceros beetle, or the scientific name is Oryctes rhinoceros, that particularly in oil palm plantation. Greetings everyone, my name is Muhammad Arman Amirul bin Muhammad Ashraf, ID student. The introduction: oil palm is one of Malaysia's most valuable and widespread plantation crops. It contributes billions of ringgit to the national economy every year and provides employment of thousands of workers. However, pests like the rhinoceros beetle pose a serious challenge to oil palm production. This pest damages young palm by feeding on the central growing tissue. If not detected early and controlled effectively, the beetle can reduce plant growth, delay harvesting, and ultimately lead to lower oil yield. Next, who is the pest? The rhinoceros beetle, Oryctes rhinoceros, belongs to the order Coleoptera, which means it is a type of beetle. It is known for its distinct horn-like structure on its head, similar to a rhinoceros, which is how it got its common name. The adult beetle is shiny, dark brown or black in color, and typically grows between 3 to 4 centimeters long. It has strong mandibles and thick forewings. The beetle undergoes complete metamorphosis, which includes the egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages. The larvae are large, white grubs that live in decomposing organic matter, while the adults are the main damaging stage, actively flying to palm crowns at night to feed. Next, what damage does it cause? The adult rhinoceros beetle causes direct damage to young palm trees by boring into the crown or growing point of the plant. It feeds on soft, internal tissues of unopened fronds, which are crucial for the palm's vertical growth. A key visual symptom is the appearance of V-shaped cuts or holes on newly emerged leaves. Over time, if the damage is severe, the growing point can be destroyed completely, causing the tree to stop growing. In the worst-case scenario, the palm may die. Even if the tree survives, the damage can delay fruiting and reduce oil yield significantly. This makes the rhinoceros beetle not only a biological problem, but also a major economic concern for plantation owners and smallholders. Next, where is it found? The rhinoceros beetle is most commonly found in young oil palm plantations, usually between 1 and 3 years old. This is when the palm trees are still developing and have soft tissues that are attractive to beetle. The beetles lay their eggs in decaying organic matter such as rotting logs, palm trunks, empty fruit branches, and compost piles. These materials provide warmth, moisture, and nutrients for the larval development. During the day, the adult beetles hide in the crown of the palm or among organic debris, making them hard to spot without close inspection. Because of their hidden activity and nocturnal habitats, infestations can go unnoticed until significant damage has already occurred. When is it active? The rhinoceros beetle is a nocturnal insect, which means it is most active during the night. It usually flies from one palm to another after sunset in search of new feeding or breeding site. The pest is present all year round in Malaysia's tropical climate, but population spikes are often observed during the wet or rainy seasons. This is because the high humidity and rainfall increase the availability of decaying material and improve the survival of eggs and larvae. Most infestations are first noticed during the early plantation phase, as young palms are more vulnerable to crown damage. Therefore, routine monitoring during the night and early morning is important for early detection. Next, why is it attracted? There are several reasons why rhinoceros beetles infest a plantation. The primary reason is the presence of decaying organic material. After land clearing or replanting, if the leftover tree stumps, logs, or frond piles are not removed, they act as breeding sites. The adult beetles are attracted to the smell of decomposing matter, which signal a safe place to lay their eggs. Poor sanitation and lack of field maintenance allow these breeding sites to multiply. Additionally, when natural enemies such as birds, fungi, or predator beetles are absent due to excessive pesticide use, the population of Oryctes rhinoceros can increase rapidly without any natural check or control. How does it cause damage and spread? Adult beetles have strong wings and can fly long distance to search for new host plants. Once they locate a young palm, they bore into the growing point and start feeding. The beetle's life cycle allows it to reproduce multiple times in a year. With plenty of food and breeding sites available, the population can grow quickly. Over time, the damage to several trees in one block can lead to uneven crop development, delay harvesting, and even replanting costs. The pest also spreads through the movement of contaminated planting materials or through infested debris left on site. Management strategies. To manage this pest, it is best to use an IPM. This combines several strategies to reduce pest population while minimizing environmental impact. Firstly, biological control involves the use of natural enemies. One successful example is the green fungus, Meteorism insoplia, which infects and kills the adult beetles. It can be applied to breeding sites like compost heaps. Secondly, cultural control focuses on good sanitation, removing dead wood, logs, and all fruit bunches to eliminate breeding habitats. Thirdly, mechanical control includes pheromone traps that attract and catch adult beetles and manual collection where infestations are small. And lastly, chemical control may be used in several cases, but only as a last resort. Targeted insecticide should be applied carefully to avoid harming non-target species and disrupting the ecosystem. In conclusion, the rhinoceros beetle is a serious insect pest in Malaysian oil palm plantation. It damages young palms, affects growth and yield, and creates additional costs for farmers and companies. Understanding the pest life cycle, identifying early symptoms, and maintaining field hygiene are the first steps to effective management. The most sustainable and effective way to manage this pest is by using IPM, which is combining biological, cultural, mechanical, and chemical methods to reduce the population safely and efficiently. With continuous monitoring, proper sanitation, and early control, we can protect Malaysia's oil palm industry from serious losses. That's all from me. Thank you.